So I started this business in 2002, and I was working at a fancy spa. I was a massage therapist at the time, working at a fancy spa, and I was using on clients all kinds of chemical products that I would never have put on my own body. And at the same time, they were demonstrating organic products, and the amazing results, you could just visibly see them, and it just totally swooshed like through me. I didn't have any plan of creating a skincare company. Meanwhile, I got this wonderful herbal book by Rosemary Gladstar, who is like the preeminent herbalist ever. And I just started making things for my friends and for myself, and it just grew on its own. And then I started doing festivals. I started with face creams. Soaps didn't come along till a few years later. But I just started making products, and it got bigger than my personal massage business and working at the spa. And I just, yeah, that's how I started. This offer is a wide range of soaps. They're all organic. We don't use any palm oil, and we only use pure essential oil. And there's no fragrances, only pure essential oils that come directly from plants. So everything is completely earth-centered. So I imagine whoever wants to scoop up this business will have a heart for organics and the earth, because that's really my guiding principle. Soaps, a huge line of skincare, face creams, 4 different kinds of face creams, toners, serums, under eye creams, body lotions, foot creams. I mean, there isn't kind of anything I don't make within this genre. I make sunscreen, I make deodorants, I make Cleopatra milk soaks, incense, a whole line of amazing, astonishing, clean burning incense. Guy products, beard oil, beard balm, face cream for men, deodorant for men, shaving soap for men.
Wow. Okay.
I have so many things. You can come to my booth 10 times and then tell me, oh my gosh, is this product new? And I'll be like, no, I've had that since 2002. So I've been doing this business for 23 years, and I've just put my heart and soul into it. It has successfully supported my family and I all these years, but it is time for me to do other things. I'm moving on into more esoteric realms.
Okay.
The person who buys my business, or the couple who buys my business, or the people who buy my business, because I don't know what format this will take, is going to be getting the heart of what they're going to be getting are my very successful recipes. They're also going to be getting my established clientele from Ballard all over the country to Bellingham to where we are here. I mean, it's quite a wide range. They're going to be getting the established farmers markets, Bellingham Farmers Market. I'm going to keep everything running so somebody could slide in seamlessly. They're going to get be able to do the festivals that I've been doing, and they will also have whatever products that are currently on the table. They'll be taught how to make everything and trained. It's quite complex because I'm a herbalist, and I wild harvest and I grow some of the ingredients, so there's definitely going to be a steep learning curve.
Okay. And then and obviously there's some equipment involved for manufacturing.
There's the pots and pans that I've been using for 23 years. I imagine whoever comes in will want to buy their own new ones.
Oh, wow.
I mean, they can have everything that I have, but there's essential oils. They will have all my accounts with all my different vendors. Yeah.
Okay. You have a website that you...
I have a website, a very active website. But I do via all my Square sales, I do have contact with all those people who have purchased. In the last 2 years, I've had to scale back because I'm taking care of my mother now, and so I'm not out doing the markets anymore. So what we were doing up until 2 years ago was, and we still are doing Bellingham. We were doing Ballard Farmers Market for 20 plus years. For the last 2 years, I have been doing Edmonds. I'm not doing it this year. So there's 3 markets that I would expect somebody would want to do. We had a pop-up shop recently, and somebody could easily open a brick and mortar. That would be a fabulous way to go. We do have our online sales, and people order from all over the country, and we have our festivals that generate people who then reorder from websites and stuff. Why would somebody want to come in and become the new caretaker of Karmela Botanica? I think they would want to do it if they had a passion for all things botanical and creative and amazing smelling skincare products that are healthy and nourish you and support the body. I think you'd want to be a creative person, but this also gives you all the recipes, and you'd want to be able to serve people because you're interacting with people all the time. If you were on this end of it, going out to the markets and festivals, you could also hire people to do that, and I do it both ways. I hire people and I'm here directly. I just think you'd have to have a passion also for beauty. If the idea of becoming the new caretaker, I like that word, of Karmela Botanica resonates with you, please reach out to me personally and we can discuss more in-depth details. This has been a very successful business for me and for my family all these years. And yeah, if you're interested, reach out.